Login loop error on Finimize Fix. Login loop error on Finimize Fix. If you're trying to open Finimize and the app keeps looping you back to the login screen, you're dealing with one of the most annoying but fixable bugs. Most people think the problem is with their account, but the real culprit is usually corrupted app data or a failed authentication handshake between your device and Finimize's servers. Here's how to fix it fast. Start by fully closing the Finimize app. Don't just minimize it. Then, open your device settings, go to Apps, find Finimize and clear both the cache and store data. This wipes out any broken login sessions that may be stuck in memory. Next, check for updates in your App Store. Finimize regularly rolls out security and bug fixes, and using an outdated version can trigger login loops. Install the latest version before logging in again. Now, open the app and manually type your login credentials. Skip any password manager or autofill for now. If you normally use Apple, Google, or Facebook to log in, make sure your linked account credentials are also up to date on your device. If you're still looping, switch your connection. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Sometimes public Wi-Fi or VNAS can interfere with authentication. Another tip, make sure your phone's time and date settings are accurate and set to automatic. If your device clock doesn't match the server's time, it can cause security tokens to fail validation, sending you back to the login page repeatedly. Once you've cleared the cache, updated the app, and ensured a stable connection, your login should go through successfully. So remember, the Finimize login loop isn't a major error. It's just your device holding onto expired data. Clear it, reconnect, and you'll be back to your personalized financial insights in no time.